ICCT stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end. Find out. First of all, iCoreConnect is in a beautiful bullish market. All I'm looking to do is hopefully still take things up, or in other words, buy, you know. And how is this going to look like is very simple. There you go. This is how my chart's looking like. This means that all I'm looking to do is still buy. Like, this previous prediction was me calling it out, and I'm here demonstrating this. But here's the proof of me calling it out right here in front of your eyes. And since this has already happened 2 days ago, there you go. This is where we are right now. If I see the price pulling down and giving me like a beautiful double break, then you guess I'm still gonna come out here and buy. You know, like, why the heck would I overcomplicate this where it really does not need to be complicated whatsoever? If no rules are met, obviously I'm not gonna be a part of this market. That simple. If you want to stay tuned regarding ICCT and want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter